Good morning friends, welcome to my YouTube channel IELTS by BRV. My name is Pumit and today we are going to discuss one speaking topic, describe a place where you go to relax. The entire video is divided into 4 sections. Section 1 is thought for the day, Section 2 is discussion on the speaking topic, Section 3 is tips which include discussion on the vocabularies, idioms, phrases which are used in this particular topic, and Section 4 is story on the word mesmerizing. Section 1 thought for the day. Inner peace begins with relaxed body. Inner peace begins with relaxed body. If you want to live peacefully, if you want to live happily, you need to relax your mind as well as relax your body. This is the meaning of this particular sentence. Now this particular sentence can be used in your essay when you are describing a place or an activity that makes you happy, that makes you stress free. Now section 2 is speaking topic. Describe a place where you go to relax. In this cacophonic world, it's quite tough to find a place which offers peace and serenity. Therefore, mankind has developed many recreational facilities to perform this duty. Today, I would like to talk about one such park, and the name of this park is the Lotus Temple. It is just situated 10 to 15 kilometers away from my hometown in the southern part of my city. It is the exact replica of the Lotus Temple which is located at Delhi. Now, as the name tells us, the entire monument is built in the form of flower lotus. From the far side, it looks like a gigantic lotus is touching the sky with its open arms. But when you enter into the premises, the scenario is totally changed. The beauty and the gravity of the place is such that it mesmerizes everybody. One of the interesting features of this place is that it is also known as the house of worship, but it has no idol to pray for. We just have to go in, sit on the bench and close our eyes and meditate. Moreover, the vastness of the place is such that it helps us to submerge into silence and delve deeper in ourselves and find Almighty within us. This will truly give us mental as well as physical relaxation. I go to this place frequently when I am more stressed. All in all, I would like to tell that visiting such a tranquil place gives relaxation to our mind and balance our body and truly act as an antidote. Now the section 3 is tips which includes a discussion on the idioms and phrases and vocabularies which are used in this particular topic. Cacophonic. Cacophonic means noisy. I have used this word as an adjective to describe the world. In this cacophonic world, in this noisy world, it's quite tough to find a place which offers peace and serenity. Now, serenity means a state of being calm. I have used as an adjective to describe a place. In this cacophonic world, it's quite tough to find a place which offers peace and serenity. Replica. Replica means exact copy. It is an adjective which is used to describe Lotus Temple which is located in Delhi. Gigantic. Gigantic means very big or huge. It is an adjective which is used to describe exterior of the Lotus Temple when you look from the far side. Mesmerizing. Mesmerizing means capturing one's complete attention as if by magic. Tranquil. Tranquil means free from disturbance. In this case, it is used as an adjective which is used to describe a place. Antidote. Antidote means something that counteracts unpleasant situation. In this case, visiting this place counteracts stress, counteracts everything, pain that we are going through. For example, laughter is the best antidote to stress. Now, section 4 is story behind the word mesmerizing. There was a magician who used to hypnotize others, and as a result, the person who was hypnotized would do anything that magician tells. Therefore, this means that a magician would capture one's complete attention. The name of this magician was Mesmero, and from Mesmero, the word mesmerizing arrived. I hope so you like this video. Please do subscribe, like and hit the bell icon so that it encourages me to make more such videos. Goodbye, sayonara.